Alright, what is good, everyone? It's your boy went back with another video. As y'all can see by the thumbnail title, man, we're gonna go over my wheels and tire setup on my 2019 Mustang GT. So if y'all interested in knowing what are my wheels and tire setup for my Mustang, man, y'all go ahead and stay tuned. Other than that, man, let's get into this video. Alright, here we have my 2019 Mustang GT with a 10-speed for the ones that are new to the channel. Also, this is a base model, so don't mistake it for a premium just because of the you know how it looks from outside. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and start out with the wheels. All right, so here we have a 19-inch rim. By the way, man, this is an OEM, not a replica. Where did I bought this off from? Man, I bought this off our Facebook market for $1,000 for all four. It also came with tires, so it was pretty much a steal in my opinion. It's in great condition, by the way. Y'all go ahead and take a look at it. No scratches, none of that, man, even in the back. But yeah, man, that is pretty much it for the wheels. By the way, I did mention that this is a 19-inch and I bought it for $1,000 with tires included. And for the tire setup, I made some changes for the rear, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the front. So in the front, I am running P0 255/40 tires in the front. Those tires, they're not that bad, but they're all right. But here we got in the back, man, I am running Arturo AZ 850. The best buck for your tires, man. That's just my opinion. I know a lot of people out there that do agree with me, but this tires, it goes for a little over 100, like maybe 110 per tires. But in my opinion, man, it's a steal. It's a great tire. It hooks really well. But I almost forgot, this is a 275/40, a little wider compared to the front because this is a rear-wheel drive car and we need a hook in the back. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the that's pretty much it for the wheels and tire. And I can't forget, I do have a 25mm spacer, as y'all can see right there in the back. In the front, I'm going to show you how it looks. As y'all can see, the wheels kind of, you know, pop out a little bit. That's due to the spacer, so it makes the stands on the car look much better. When it comes to factory, the wheels kind of tuck in a lot, especially the front. I'm going to show you the front as well. So there it is. The spacer kind of helps out a lot, especially after you lower the car. You need them spacer, bro. Again, this is a 25mm spacer. I bought this off our KSP Performance for around $80 for all four sets, so it's a steal. It's a good quality, by the way. Or y'all can go with Ebach or CJ Pony, but they're a little bit more expensive. But that's what I went with, KCP Performance 25mm spacer. And that is pretty. So for suspension setup, I am running Ebach Pro Kit. You can get this off American Muscle for $350, but with shipping and tax and everything, you can expect to $400, up to $400. But yeah, the reason I went with the Ebach Pro Kit is because I didn't want my car to be that low, but I still want that, you know, a good lowering, decent car, you know what I'm saying, where the stance looks pretty nice. And if you do want to, you know, aggressive stance, you might have to go with a sport line. But for me, the Pro Kit was enough because, you know, the road here in Kansas is not the best. And also, I didn't want my car too low. You know, I didn't want no scratches or none of that. So with the Pro Kit, it was enough for me. You know, it dropped in the front, I believe, 1.1. In the rear, it's like 1 inch. So for both, it's going to drop about 1 inch. So that was plenty enough for me. You know, it looks really nice. Like, compared to the OEM, this is way much better. So in the front, we could fit about 2 finger, I believe. Yep. And the back, we could fit about 2 finger as well. But if I'm mistaken about the advertisement on the measure height, man, I'm sorry, but I believe it is 1 inch and 1 inch in the back, 1.1 and 1.0. There you have it, everyone. This is just a quick short video. So y'all can leave me a, if y'all still watching, man, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, and if y'all new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Other than that, man, that's for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.